Quick video showing some of the last new makeup I bought for 2023. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. On my channel, I cover makeup and skincare, occasionally fashion, travel, basically things that make you more fabulous at any age. Well, I always like to showcase my new makeup products. I have a few odds and ends today that I'm going to kind of pull together in a get ready with me video. And this is probably going to be my last new makeup product video of 2023. I've got sort of overall year-end reviews coming up for the next couple of weeks. So anyway, I've got some exciting things to show you today, including something from Ilia, a brand called Fiera, Rena Beauty, and something I just discovered by Ulta. So stay tuned. Well, the first product I'm demonstrating for you today is the last, but definitely not the least, of the products I got on the Sephora sale. This is Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint, SPF 40, has niacinamide squalene and hyaluronic acid in it. It says shake well before using. It is a skin tint. It is buildable. It's basically drops. I usually start by putting a few on my hand. I find that less messy than dripping it down my face. But anyway, shake it well and then just blend it in. This is a very natural, skin-like, lightweight foundation that, it's really a tinted serum. So it's like putting on an extra coat of moisturizer with a little bit of tint in it. You could add a little more if you want more coverage. I think I'm going to add just a tiny bit more. I think this is just such a good, nutritious for your skin type of product. Really sort of protects your skin from the elements. I'd still normally wear another sunscreen with it just because I don't lather it on that thick. It's just a nice natural glow. The color I got is ST9 Paloma. But this is something I've worn quite a few times already. And yes, I really, really like this. It lasts through the day. It doesn't settle into lines. It's just an all-around great super serum skin tint. So you can call it a foundation, but it's not really. Next product I'm showing you is one I've seen a lot of ads for, and I decided to find it on Amazon, and sure enough, it was cheaper than the actual ads that were showing, and it arrived a lot faster. This is Fiera Cosmetics Luxury Concealer. It's a cream concealer, and I just put a little tiny bit on my finger. It is a sort of a thicker texture, a cream concealer, but it spreads so evenly. I've never noticed this to settle into lines. I'll put it under my brows as well as under my eyes, and just a little tiny bit, like a little dot goes a long way. But yeah, this is currently one of my very favorite concealers, and it really works. Like I said, it lasts all day. Now, I did my brows off camera using Anastasia Beverly Hills. I got another eye kit from Rena Beauty. I like Lisa Rinna's brand so far, everything I've gotten, so I wanted to try one more of these eye kits. I do wish you could buy the things individually. The palettes you can only buy in the kits, but I think she has like 3 different palettes, and these little pencils, which are actually like thick crayons, and a mascara. And so far, they've all been really good products. So this is the one I got this time. This one is called Better Naked. And I think I'm going to actually start off with this crayon thing and just see what I can do with this. I'm trying to keep it close to the lashes. And I love the formula on this. I just wish it were a little more pointed, a little more, not quite as thick. I'm going to use the brush that came with this kit. It's a really nice brush, 2 ends, 2 sides to it. And I'm going to start off with this sort of nude and just pretty much use that sort of as an overall base. Then I'm going in with this sort of white shade And just going in the inner corner. This darker shade, I think I'm going to take and go a little bit in the outer corner. You could actually use a liner brush and use that color as a liner as well. And then my favorite color in this is this nice shimmer. It's a beautiful peach color. And I'm going to just go over everything with that shimmer and blend it in and just give myself a lot of shine. These colors are very pigmented. The shimmer is not quite as shiny as I would maybe prefer it to be, but they are really nice nude shades. So I'm going to top it off with the Rinna Beauty mascara. I really do like her mascara formula as well. So this is my eye look for today. Now for my lips, I'm trying this new lip product called, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, Ulta. I found this on Amazon. My daughter turned me on to this brand. Remember the really sparkly lips of the early 2000s? Well, they're back. And this brand, very inexpensive on Amazon. It's cruelty-free, vegan, keto approved, metallic shine lipstick. I'm curious as to how much it really shines. So the color I got is called Cosmopolis. So let's give it a go. It's got a lot of shine. Not really sparkles, but definitely shine. I do like little liners, so I think I'm going to go back to another Lisa Rinna product for my liner. This is the thick liner crayons that she just introduced. Okay. Of course, these Rinna lip crayons go great with her lipsticks too, and I love all of her lipsticks. I just really wanted to try something new, and this Ulta is the latest that I bought. And I do like the shine. I wish it had a little more sparkle, but I really feel like the shine is so much I don't really need a gloss on top of it. Well, I finished everything up with a little bit of Hourglass and Fenty Beauty on my face, but I really do like all these new products, especially this Ilia Skin Tint, Fiera Concealer, the Rinna Eye Kit, and the Ulta lipstick. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.